Hello, I hope you're safe and sound, everyone. Welcome to Dimple's an Arabian journey. Please don't forget to subscribe us and stay connected by hitting onto the bell icon for all the further notification. So today's unique recipe out of the box is eggless savory cheese muffins, simple and easy, exclusively for our kids. As all the kids are home quarantine across the world, why not ask the kids to just try the simple and easy technique of baking their own muffins, which is delicious and healthy at the same time. Kids of any age can try this recipe with very simple and basic techniques. So let us have a look onto the main ingredient, that is 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, shredded mozzarella, half cup of capsicum or bell peppers finely chopped, half cup of onion chopped, salt 1 tablespoon, pepper 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of Italian herb mix powder, 2 tablespoons of chili flakes, 2 tablespoons of butter. I've taken salted butter here, 1.5 cup of milk, room temperature, 1.5 cup of flour, refined flour, half teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. This is the close-up. Grease the pan well with generous amount of butter or oil. Butter would give a unique taste. Be generous to grease them. So here I'm adding around 1.5 cup of flour into a bowl. Then goes the finely chopped onion. Save 2 tablespoons for later toppings. Now I'm adding the capsicum, finely chopped. Please save 2 tablespoons of capsicum. Some pepper and salt, around 1 tablespoon. Red chili flakes, please save 1 teaspoon. Then goes the herb mix powder, please save 1 teaspoon. Then add the baking powder, and then goes the baking soda. Please add 2 tablespoons of butter. I've used salted butter to increase the volume and to add some richness and moist and to make it more moist. So here I'm just adding 1 cup of milk, and I will just divide the milk into batches and mix them well. Keep them mixing for next 2 minutes. Let it incorporate it well enough. So half a cup of milk will be added later on. Just keep on mixing. To this, now I'm adding the cheese, the mozzarella shredded cheese. Please save 2 tablespoons for the topping. Now I'm adding the remaining milk. This will help you not overdoing any of the liquid extra. Just a tip, do add in the milk or any liquid, for instance, into batches so that you get a good judgment of the quality and the quantity as well. Post 5 minutes, our batter gets fluffy and very light, so it's ready to be baked. The measurement for my tray is I'm using a little more than 1/3 cup. You can adjust it according to your tray or any baking utensils. So for instance, just fill it half. Do not overfill them. The idea is to fill them equally at once and then refill them again if needed. So then you can judge the quantity accordingly. Top them with all the remaining veggies, the capsicum, the onion, or you can also add some more of your choice, mushrooms. You can be just experimental. So just keep adding the toppings to it. So now comes the cheese part. Now you can just add the remaining 2 tablespoons of cheese which has been kept safe. Fill them with all the muffin cups, And then now you can just sprinkle them some with the chili flakes, which was remaining around 1 tablespoon, can be divided and added or sprinkled to all the cup. Now comes the mixed herb. Kindly sprinkle all the mixed herb, or if you do not want to add, then just skip it together all together, and then you can just replace it by some pepper powder as well. So all set and ready, pop them inside the preheated oven for 20 minutes for around 180 degree. Prick and test it. Post it comes out clean, then it's all good and all ready. Do allow your kids to experiment and enjoy this process. A little bit of help or no help at all, few kids do pick up easily, and let them enjoy this whole baking process with some easy on hand technique. I hope you all enjoy watching this video recipe of mine. Completely eggless and delicious soft moist cheese muffins. Thanks for watching. Stay home and stay safe.